what I got for you guys today is a challenge lock made by TypeRegal. It's called the Papyrus Junior. It has number 2 on front of it, so I assume it's the second one. Culper gave this lock to me when he gave me my Dom IX10 back and also sent me a bunch of beef jerky. So, thanks, Culper. Now, I picked this lock once. It took me about 2 hours of fiddling with it until I finally got it open the first time. But what I noticed, a lot of the pins they would like set and get really hard, but they wouldn't move. So I thought maybe they might be gin-like. So I figured I'd try float picking, and it actually seemed to help out a lot. So first, what I like to do is start out with this really shallow hook. It's a little bent, but it'll work. Really deep false set. I got excited. Funny enough, I actually haven't picked this lock clockwise yet. There we go, it's open. How exciting. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is take this out, put this up here. Now, I feel really bad for opening this lock so fast because it took me so long to do it before. Alright, so now what I'm doing is opening up the key. Looks like Culper must have rewrapped it with this black stuff. Looks like it's been opened with that one before. Alright, so here's the key. Got some really nice bitting. Super low, and it kind of levels out by here, out back, but this is a super fun lock to pick. Works really well. Alright. Oh, my bench is really messy. Had about there were different picks out here to try to see what the best one was. So Culper told me to shim this guy. He said that the core is fish boned. Alright, wish me luck. Oh wow. I can see why I might have had trouble with that. Well, I kind of screwed that up. But Culper showed me he did a video, so I'll double check, see how his pins are lined up. This one was actually number 5. Number 4 is like stuck in there. There we go. Alright, now we have everything. I don't know if I broke this pin in half or... Oh no. It's a little tiny, almost like a pen and pin. That's really cool. That was in there like that. Yeah, these are some really beautiful pins. Oh, I know what I wanted to see. If I was float picking it for a reason or not. Figures. Every single one is completely threaded. 1, 3, and 5 are the ones that are threaded in here. Yeah, these are all just really beautiful pins. Oh, I'll get a close up for you guys. I'll bring the camera in. So alright, this was the Papyrus Junior by TypeRegal, his second challenge lock. And it was a pleasure to be able to do it. It was a lot of fun. Thanks Culper, for sending this lock to me. And if anybody else has any challenge locks that they'd like to send me, I'd love to pick them. Alright, have a great day.